welcome to our Tamiya TT-02 Type S race build series from RC Empire, and welcome to the speedruns. Now this is a video that a lot of you have been waiting for ages and ages for, and finally here it is. So what we are going to do today is take a look at our Tamiya TT-02 race build, doing a few runs up and down the straight and also watching it hit the track with the 3S LiPo, before we also take a look at it with a 2S LiPo to see the differences in speed. So let's get straight into it. As you can see, we've got our speedo set up and we are actually doing a good few runs to get some consistent and true results. One thing you will notice is that the speedo, although correct in the data that it gathers, is lagging, and it just gets worse and worse. In fact, this first clip is one of the better ones, and you can see that when we speed up, it doesn't quite match the acceleration on the speedo. And this is purely because of GoPro's awful software. Don't even get me started. And look at that, there you go. On 3S we are hitting 34 miles per hour, which is a really good usable speed with actually really quick acceleration, and we've been running this for a few years now with zero issues. Nothing's broken, nothing's stripped, the motor's still good, so we're happy with this speed. A few quick notes: we are still running the 10.5 turn hobby wing motor you saw us install in episode 4 with zero turbo timing, and it will be interesting to see what the speed is if we start playing with the timing and some parameters on the speed controller. What we also have here, some proper race tyres on, 32SH, and you can see consistently that we are pretty much topping out at 34 miles per hour. And we even hit the skate park and tried to keep up with this monster. And again, you can see us topping out at around 33-34 miles per hour. Here is where we lost it and wiped out. But interestingly, the TT-02 doesn't roll over at all at a single corner. It just stays planted even with a heavy camera on top. Unlike, for example, our Tamiya TT-01 race build with the Honda Civic body, which, as you saw from one of our previous episodes, with the camera mounted on top, it wanted to roll over at every corner. But with the same camera in the same position, the TT-02 stayed planted, which is so much fun to watch. And you can really take corners at some speed. So that's 3S. Now let's swap over and take a look at a 2S LiPo and see what the difference is. And actually, you can see we're topping out at 25 miles per hour. So 9 miles per hour less than with the 3S LiPo, which is a huge difference. I wasn't expecting that, but you can even hear the difference. The RPMs of the motor just aren't getting as high, and it's really cool to see the difference. What would also be good to see is how this setup on both 2S and 3S will compare to our Blinky series setup on this very TT-02 Type S, again with 2 and 3S LiPos. But that's all to come in our brand new Blinky series race build, so do watch out for that. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed seeing some TT-02 action and finally seeing how fast this setup runs in stock out the box form. Do check out all the other videos from the series and check out some of the hardware and electronics that we're using. And also do keep an eye out for our new website. But that's it. Please do rate, comment and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching and see you soon.